Let's move on now and have a look at exercise 2D, which is our final section. Question 2A asks us to calculate the selling price when there's a 30% markup on $1,200. Now we could just add the $1,200 plus the 0.3 times 1,200, which is 30%. So that's 1,200 plus 360, and the selling price will be 1,560. Or we could multiply it by 1.3. 1,200 times 1.3 gives us a selling price of 1,560. That's because 1 is 100% plus the 30%. Now in exercise 2B, there's a discount, 25% discount on $449. Again, we can do it one of two ways. We can go 449 minus the percentage off, which is 0.25 times 449, and that gives us a selling price of $336.75. Now 100% minus 25% is 75, so if we multiply it by 0.75, then we find the same answer, 336.75. So either way is acceptable, no worries. And we'll have a look at question 6 now. 3 parts for question 6. It asks you to state whether it's a profit or loss. Then part 2 to work out that profit or loss in dollars. And then part 3 is to work it out as a percentage, the change to a couple of decimal places. So in the first part A, the chair is bought on eBay for $50 and sold for $87. So that's obviously a profit, part 1. Part 2, 87 minus 50 gives us a profit of $37. Part 3, 37 of $50 multiplied by 100 means we've got a profit of 74% on that sale. Now, if we have a look at part F, that was a toy bought for $8.75 and sold for $2.60. So part 1 is going to be a loss. Part 2, it's $8.75 minus the $2.60. and the loss is $6.15. As a percentage, $6.15 of $8.75 times 100 means we've got a loss of 70.29%. Can move on and have a look at the next one I want to have a look at, which is question 8. So the cost price is at a price $1,200, this is part A, which will include plus a markup of 55%. Does this mean? It means 1,260 includes 1.55, that 100% plus the 55%. So how will we calculate this? The simplest way and the best way to do this is to use the inverse. That means this. Instead of multiplying to get a price or to get our answer, what we will do is we will divide. So in this instance, we're going to divide 1,260 by 1.55. So then we are going to work out what our cost price is, because that 1,260 is the 100% plus the markup, 1 plus the 0.55. So divided by 1.5, and it'll be $812.90. Let's move on and see if there is a discount. Then we're going to divide by the amount of the discount. So for example, we have 100% minus whatever the discount is. Say it's 10%. It's 100% minus 10%, so it's 90%. So the price is going to be 90% of that, 100% minus 10%. So we'll part F, 8F, shorts, I bought $36 and there's 15% discount. So that's 100 minus 15, that's 85. So divided by 0.85, and we can see that our cost price is $42 there. Let's have a look at question 16 now. Question 16 states where there's a sale of 35% off. 35% off. If the new price is part A, $1,820, what was the original price? So that equals $1,820 divided by 0.65, because that's 100% minus 35%. So the original price was $2,800. Then part B, $2,800 minus 1,820 tells us that $980 was saved in this transaction. So we've divided by the amount again. Let's go to question 18. This will be our last question. Now question 18 says there's a store that's got 22.5% off everything. Now there's a pair of designer shoes. They are discounted by $282.60. And what we are asked to do is to calculate the original price. So we've got a discount of $282.60 and we don't know the original price. So we'll take the discount amount and divide it by 0.225, dividing it again, and that equals $1,256. So the original price of the shoes was $1,256.